Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can reset your forgotten Spotify password, which means how you guys can recover your Spotify password in a way. So it's pretty simple. So you want to search for Spotify first. Once you search for Spotify, the first option, Spotify web player, click on it. Once you click on it, this will open up. From over here, click on the 3-line at the top right corner and click on login. Now from this login page, you need to scroll a bit down and click on forgot your password. Once you click on it, over here you need to enter your email address. Now whichever email address you used when you created your Spotify account, you need to enter that over here. So I'm going to enter my email address. You need to enter your Spotify's email address. Click on send. Once you click on send, a verification link is going to be sent to your email. So open your email. So as you guys can see, Spotify has sent me this password changing email. I need to click on reset password over here and I'm going to choose one of my browser. Once I do that, it's going to take me to Spotify's password changing page. Now on this page, I can enter a new password for my Spotify account. And after I enter the new password, I can click on send and my password will be changed. That is how you guys can reset forgotten Spotify password. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.